Hi students, in this video I'll be going through exercise 10A question 21A. Alright, so this is one of the questions in the homework assignment. Okay, so we're asked to solve the equation ln cosecant x minus 1 equals to 0.34 for angles x greater than 0 degrees and less than 360 degrees. Okay, so whenever you see a question like this, okay, so it involves both logarithms and trigonometry. Okay, you don't have to be afraid. Okay, you just have to think for yourself. How can you transform this equation, right, into something that is more familiar to you? Okay, so we seldom come across questions whereby there is a logarithmic function and a trigo function together. Okay, but in one step, are we able to transform this, right? Okay, into just a trigonometric equation. Okay, that means we want to remove the ln. Okay, so if you think about this, we can actually convert this into the exponential form, right? Then the ln function will no longer be there. Okay, so if you recall, ln means log base e. So essentially, this question can be rewritten like this. Okay, log base e cosecant x minus 1 equals to 0.34. Okay, so in this case, the e will be the base. Okay, then in the logarithmic form, the power or the index, right, is on one side by itself. Okay, so in other words, cosecant x minus 1 will be the base e to the power of 0.34. So when you convert to exponential form, e is still the base, and the power now becomes the index, okay, of the base. Okay, so the equation has now been transformed to this. Okay, then you may think it's still unfamiliar to me, but if you think about this, e to the power of 0.34, if you press your calculator, it's just simply a number only. Okay, it's nothing other than just a number. Okay, so we can just work with it as if it's just a number. Okay, so the next step to do would be, of course, to bring the 1 to the other side. Okay, so you get this. Okay, like this. Okay, then you think about cosecant. Cosecant is, of course, 1 over sine. Okay, and then if 1 over sine is equal to this, then sine x will be 1 over e to the power 0.34 plus 1. Okay, then we can just go ahead and find the basic angle. So, okay, so this is already positive, so we'll just leave it as it is. Okay, then we'll just do sine inverse of this to find the basic angle. Right? Okay, so from here you should be able to get the basic angle to be 24.57 degrees. Alright, then we can go ahead and find x. So over here, sine is positive, right? So positive, then we will be going for the first and second quadrant. Okay, so since we are just searching one round, 0 to 360, so for the first quadrant, the general angle will just be equal to the basic angle, so 24.57. And then in the second quadrant, it will be 180 minus the basic angle. Right, so then round to 1 dp for angle, so you'll get 24.6. And then down here you'll get 155.4 degrees. So this is 1 decimal place. Right, so overall it's still not too difficult of a question. Okay, so don't be afraid if you see something unfamiliar. Always think for yourself, what can we do to make it into a more familiar form? Okay, then we can use solve it. Right.